If you regularly switch between multiple Google Chrome profiles, creating a desktop shortcut can save you time by opening the correct profile with a single click. In this video, I'll show you how to create a profile desktop shortcut in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you're using the profile you'd like to create a shortcut for. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser and select Settings. From the menu on the left, click You in Google. Next, select Customize Profile. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your profile name, along with options to customize your color and avatar. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you find the Create Desktop Shortcut option. Turn the toggle on. Chrome will immediately create a desktop shortcut for the current profile. From now on, you can simply double-click that shortcut to launch Chrome directly into this profile without having to switch accounts manually. This is especially useful if you keep separate profiles for work, school, personal browsing, or different Google accounts. If you ever want to remove the shortcut, return to the same page and turn the Create Desktop Shortcut toggle off. You can also reach this setting much faster. Simply click your profile icon in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Customize Profile. You'll arrive at the same page where you can see your profile name, color, and avatar. From there, scroll to the bottom, enable the Create Desktop Shortcut toggle, and Chrome will instantly create the shortcut on your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for your Google Chrome profile. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, browser customization guides, productivity tips, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.